We've got some parts to install today to finish up the titanium exhaust. We got some diagnosing to do, got some check engine lights to fix, and some other miscellaneous items, and then time to test out this exhaust fully, see what it sounds like driving down the road, driving inside the car, check out the drone, all that good stuff. First things first, time to get it up in the air, get under it, get to work. To finish up the exhaust, I got the new 90-degree O2 sensor spacers, and then I have two brand new post-cat O2 sensors. Additionally, I have the brand new air filter. I got the actual correct one this time, so we have all these parts to install before we can go on the first drive. That looks more like it. It's a little dirty. It's not too bad. I'm not going to put the intake back in just yet. I'm going to do the O2 sensors first. That way I have a little more room to get to the wiring to run them up. These shouldn't take too long though. Kudos to Porsche for having the O2 sensor connectors right here. I've never had any that are easier to get to than that. Over on this side, I didn't even have it connected because I never even plugged it in because there was absolutely no room in it. I shredded the old one. Well, I didn't really shred it. It was just shredded to begin with.
Get the old cap out, put the new 90-degree one in. What's nice about these is you can position them where you want based on the kind of lock nut they have on there. Passenger side is done. That was the easy side because I didn't have the O2 sensor in there. The driver's side, I think we're going to have to loosen the exhaust by the turbo to have enough wiggle room to get the old one out. Not a huge deal, I guess.
This was all a relatively easy process. That's one of the very nice things about working on these engines is all the exhaust parts and everything underneath the car are so easy to get to, and there's not a lot of it there. And another shout out here to Andrew Carpenter for getting me this nice OEM intake to replace the old Fab Speed that the previous owner installed. New post-cat O2 sensors and 90-degree angle spacers with cat material in them. They're all installed. New air filter installed. That's all put back together. Now it's time to clear the codes. I'm not sure what codes are in there, but I need to clear them, and then we need to drive it and get you guys exhaust sound clips and all that good stuff. Gonna be some good sound clips. I promise. I'm sure at least one of the codes is gonna be O2 sensor related because I didn't have one of the rear ones plugged in at all, because it got destroyed when removing it. Well, let's see how many codes are on this car. There's gotta be a bunch. My door panels are on. Can you believe it?
That doesn't look stolen anymore. Oh, God. Listen to that door open.
How many codes will we have? EVAP system vent control circuit, V0446, V0161, O2 sensor heater circuit, bank 2, sensor 2. That's the one that was missing. I would assume so. Oxygen sensor heater behind cat, bank 2. O2 sensor slow response, bank 1, sensor 2. Okay, so 3 of them are O2 sensor codes based on probably me not having the O2 sensor in there. What do you think the EVAP system vent control circuit would be?
Vent solenoid.
Okay, could be missing fuel cap, incorrect fuel filler cap remains open, fails to close, foreign matter caught in fuel filler cap, vent valve control harness is open or shorted, vent control valve circuit poor electrical connection, faulty vent control valve.
Yeah, if it said a circuit fault for the vent controlled solenoid, then it's probably going to be either the circuit or the solenoid itself. But easy enough to test.
Well, I just cleared them all. No fault codes. Sweet! That's solid. Solid progress. That went pretty smooth. Got a new air filter in there. All the check engine light codes are cleared. That EVAP one, I'm guessing, is going to come back. I'll need to do some more diagnosing on that. But I gotta get the car on the ground and we gotta take you guys and myself on a test drive. With all the work completed, it's time to get this thing down off the quick jacks, get it out on the road, test drive it, get some good sound clips and first impressions. I have a strong feeling there's going to be drone, and a lot of it. First drive with the new exhaust. No dash lights, no check engine lights, nothing like that, at least not yet. I have a feeling they will come back on. That's a problem for future Matt. Slightly louder than before. My goodness, it is loud. Turbo whistle, 4 days, that is for sure.
We've got some sun glare, but I'll try and make it work.
I'm getting looks from the neighbors, but it's not like looks where it's like, wow, that is a hideous Porsche. Now I'm getting looks like, hey, that's a good looking Porsche and it's entirely too loud. Feel the turn in, accelerate, crash. You ever think your exhaust might be just a touch too loud? I'm getting that vibe. Man, that sounds so good. Entirely too loud, but it sounds really, really good. Now, of course, I couldn't make a Porsche video without talking about money because this thing is sucking me dry. So thankfully, we have companies like The Ridge, who is the sponsor of this video.
The Ridge makes awesome slim wallets. Like this carbon fiber one, you guys know I love carbon fiber. I got carbon fiber in the Porsche, BMW, not the truck yet, but maybe. This wallet here can hold up to 12 cards plus cash. I have cash in the back. What's nice is there's a little ridge, get it, at the bottom that you push up, and now you have access to your cards, and you can pull them out with ease. Now the Ridge has over 30 different colors you can get on these wallets. Titanium, carbon fiber, forged ash, and a whole bunch of other ones. What I really like is they're super slim and they look really good. This is a standard wallet. This is a Ridge wallet. Length, width, and height. This is so much smaller, more compact than this. This you can fit in the front pocket and it's not gonna bother you. This pretty much has to go in your rear pocket and I gotta sit on it and it's not comfortable. These wallets have over 50,000 5-star reviews and they're so confident in their wallets, you can try them for 99 days and send it back for a full refund if you don't love it. Now I got a discount code for you guys. It's ROSS, R-O-S-S, in all capitals. You can go to theridge.com/Ross. That's the link to get 10% off this wallet, or you can use the coupon code ROSS on the Ridge's website. Big thanks to the Ridge for sponsoring another video and helping me to fund fixing up this old beat up Porsche. Conclusion that with the windows down and the sunroof open on a beautiful day, this is a fantastic car to drive. The exhaust isn't too loud. It's when everything's shut that it's too loud. Definitely drone. It's worse than the last exhaust. Let's see what the decibel reader says. Oh mercy. Yeah, we're in the 90s now. The old one was like 85. That answers that one, my friends. We did not fix the drone, but we did fix the part where it sounds terrible. And yes, guys, I am gonna get exhaust tips. I just don't know which ones yet. I hate the factory tips. Pretty much all of the 996 tips, doesn't matter. I think they all look cheesy, corny, weird, odd. I'm trying to bait some type of just simple tip or tips that just go on there. I just haven't found any yet. You guys have suggestions, let me know. I'm not gonna leave it how it is, that's for sure. I don't like how it looks. I will finish it off. It's made for stock tips, but I hate the stock tips. Not only does this car look loud now, because it's, you know, bright yellow, but it sounds loud. There's things vibrating in here that weren't vibrating before. Yeah, cruising like this with the windows down, I'm totally fine with this exhaust. It's when the windows go up that it becomes an issue. Like that. Ooh. Other than that, it sounds incredible.
Does anyone else love being tailgated for absolutely no reason?
Yeah, that's nice. It's wild, and I love it. Ah, crap, I forgot my sweatshirt at the gym. Son of a... You make sure no one steals my car. I left my freaking sweatshirt in the gym. Hey, thanks, bud. Can't forget my Boosted Apex Design sweatshirt. If you'd like to grab one, go to boostedapexdesigns.com. Get entered for a chance to win a Milwaukee 3/8 electric impact battery combo kit. Every $5 is an entry to win. Quick ad. All right, peace out, home slice.
Sounds good.
It's boost weather, baby. The giveaway is for USA residents only. It ends April 30th of this year. I'm always adding new stuff to the website too. Everyone should be awake by now.